Welcome to my spiritual history channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you won't miss any of my new videos at all. So let us begin our new lesson. Our lesson name is atoms, compounds, molecules and crystals. This is a chemistry lesson. While our other lesson post daily 55 category E. The lesson is not over, but I am teaching a new lesson. So when you zoom into water, then you will find a water molecule, and there is an individual oxygen atom that is attached to two hydrogen atoms, and you can find trillions and trillions of them. And then if we zoom into methane, what we call a natural gas, we can find a methane molecule and a carbon atom that is attached to four hydrogen atoms, and we can find trillions and trillions of them. That's it. But what it would be like if we zoom into NaCl, which is called a salt. Yeah, you all members know that NaCl is a salt. Our guess is if we zoom into NaCl, then we can find molecules of Na that are attached to Cl, and we can find trillions and trillions of them. Right? No, wrong. We cannot find them. We can find very different. But what? So let us find out. If we zoom into NaCl, then we will find trillions of Nas and trillions of Cls that are connected to each other, and that they are called crystals. They are not molecules. They are crystals. You know the word crystals means we have the repeating pattern, and it looks like a cube of molecules, but they are not molecules. They are crystals. This looks very different, but let's again go and zoom into again the water. So in the water we can find a water molecule where there is an oxygen atom that is attached to two hydrogen atoms, and in methane there is also carbon atom that is attached to four hydrogen atoms. But in the case of NaCl, there are trillions of Nas and trillions of Cls connected to each other. That is water. So you know that why we call water H2O is that we can find two hydrogen atoms, and in methane we call CH4, means we can find four hydrogen atoms with one carbon atom. But in case of NaCl, we can find trillions of Nas and trillions of Cl connected to each other, and we can find them at 1:1. We can find them at same. Now you know, not all are molecules. Some are crystals. So molecules are called a molecular compounds, and a crystal is called a crystalline compounds. So let us pick another salt mineral. So it is called potassium. Its formula is K2O. What is that? K2O. K stands for potassium and O stands for. We can find and a potassium molecule. No, we cannot find a potassium molecule. It is again a crystal because it is a salt mineral. So that's why it is a crystal. We have both crystals, NaCl and K2O. Did you understand? Okay. So now we can find these crystals and we can find 2:1. That is it. You figured out not every compound is molecule. Some are crystals, and not only that, some are also diatomic substances. For example, take oxygen. If you zoom into oxygen, then you will find two oxygen molecules attached together to form O2. So is this a compound? No, it's not a compound. Compounds are made of different kinds of materials or two that has different substances. But oxygen is not any compound. It is also known as diatomic element. So there are diatomic elements. We have oxygen, chlorine, fluorine, and many more. So you have realized that there are a molecule group, crystal group, and a diatomic elemental groups. Lesson is completely over. There are no part 1 or part 2 in this lesson. This lesson is very short. Yeah, right? Okay, thank you for watching. This is a chemistry lesson, a middle chemistry lesson of school. And please encourage me if you like my video, and do subscribe and hit the bell icon.